guys, welcome to this video. In this video we're gonna talk about port security. Port security is a feature of Cisco switches that allows you to configure the maximum MAC address permitted on an interface. So it means, if you want on this interface fast Ethernet 01 to connect only this computer, so you can configure this port with port security to allow just this computer to connect to that interface. So if another computer wants to connect to that interface, this feature, uh, it's gonna block that computer because it's not permitted on that port. And also you can set up MAC address in static way or sticky. Static, it means that you put a MAC address directly on the on the CLI, on the configuration, and sticky, it means that it learns by itself, by learning which computer is connected to that interface. And also there are three different violations: protect, restrict, and shut down. By default, in Cisco switches is shut down. So in this video we're gonna see this violation. So we're gonna set up the switch. We're gonna open the switch and then we're gonna go to the CLI and then we're gonna type enable configuration terminal, and then we're gonna put here, we need to go to this interface. So we put interface fast Ethernet 0001, excuse me, because it's 01, and then press enter. And then when you want to use this feature, you need to put the port in an access port. So we put switch port mode access because this is the way that it works. And then we put switch port security. We hit enter, and right now it is enabled port security on this interface. And then we put switch port security, and then um, we can set up the maximum if we want more than one computer to connect to this interface. We can put here the maximum MAC address permitted on this interface, or we can leave it by default that is 1. And then we can put switch port security MAC address. It means that we can put a MAC address sticky. It means that it learns by itself, uh, by learning uh, which computer is connected to that interface. So we're gonna put a sticky, and then we put switch port security violation. So there are three types. There are protect, restrict, and shut down. By default is shut down, so we're gonna put shut down, but it is not necessary because it is already shut down. And then we're gonna exit, and then exit, and then we're gonna save the configuration. We do WR or WR, and then we're gonna put switch port security, show port security interface fast Ethernet 01, and then we see that port security is enabled, is secure up, violation mode is shut down, agent time is 0 means, and there's no MAC address learning. So we're gonna set up right now the computer. So we have changed the MAC address here to, and then we're gonna change. It is not necessary, it's just for this tutorial to make it uh, easier for you to understand. And we're gonna put the address 192.168.1.2, and then we put subnet mask by default 255.255.255.0, and then we put the default gateway, but it's not necessary. And then we're gonna type ipconfig all to see the configuration, and we see right now here is the IP address, and here is the physical address, as you can see right here. Okay, so then we're gonna set up this computer to test we're gonna put 192.168.1.3, and then we put the default gateway 192.168.1.1 and the subnet mask by default. And then we put right here, we're gonna put ipconfig to see, and we see the address and the subnet mask. So we're gonna test the communication between this computer that is already set up with protected. So we're gonna ping the other computer 192.168.1.2. Okay, so this is the same computer, so we're gonna 1.3. This is the other computer. So as we can see, it is replying. So we're gonna see what happened with the switch. So as we can see right here, we're gonna type this command again to see what happened. So right now we see that we have learned this MAC address from this computer. We see AAA, and we see that there's one maximum MAC address permitted is 1, and total MAC address is 1. And there's no configure MAC address because we have learned it by a sticky MAC address. So the switch learned the the MAC address by itself. So if we type show run, we can see the MAC address is learning. The switch learns the MAC address using a sticky. So it means if we restart the switch, the configuration, the MAC address, it is stored on the configuration. So we're gonna see what happens if we connect another computer with another MAC address. So we're gonna connect this computer. Okay, so we connect this computer on this interface, and we're gonna set up the IP address. We're gonna type another IP address, but in the same range. So we put 192.168.1.10 and the subnet mask by default and the default gateway, and we're gonna try to ping this computer. But as we can see right now, we're gonna try to ping 192.168.1.2 and that 1.3, that it is this computer, and as we can see, it is not allowing to communicate to this computer because we can see right here, if we put show port security interface fast ethernet 01, the port status is secure shutdown because we have connect another computer to that port, and it says violation mode shutdown. So it means that when you connect another computer to that interface, the interface go down, and if we want to use it again, we have to put and not shut down to the interface. So as we can see, this works. So we're gonna connect the computer again. So we're gonna connect the permitted computer to the interface, and we're gonna see what happened. So right now it is not allowing the communication because we need to set up this mode. You need to, when a violation happens, you need to shut down or not shut down the interface again, because if we put show interface facepattern 0 1, we can see that interface is in state error disable. So it means that we need to put it shut down and not shut down to the interface. So we're gonna go to conft and then interface facepattern 0 1, and we put shut and not shut, and then we save the configuration, and then we're gonna see if what happened. So right now it's loading. So if you want more videos like this, I suggest you to subscribe to the channel, and the next video we're gonna see the violation mode protect and restrict. Okay, we're gonna put here. So then we're gonna try to ping again, and as we can see right now it's pinging to this computer. So we're gonna see again. Now we can see it's pinging. So we're gonna put the command again, show port security interface facepattern 01, and we can see the security is up and port security is enabled, and sticky MAC address is 1, and the MAC address permitted is this MAC address. So I hope you like this video, and I suggest you to subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. And the next video we're gonna talk about protected and restrict. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.